Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my channel, Creative Crafts. This channel will have so many things and ideas of how to recycle, how to renovate, DIYs, and other great crafty ideas that I'll be doing on my videos. I already have 52 videos on here on my channel. There's a lot of them about doing recycling newspaper bottles and tin cans. Check them out. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and also Twitter. So the link will be below. Check them out. Fun facts about me. The first fun fact is I love Star Trek. Yeah, I'm a Trekkie. Can you believe that? Me and my husband, we were in a Star Trek convention not so long ago, and we had such a blast. I met so many stars from the show Deep Space Nine of Star Trek, and they were so wonderful. I had such a great time. I never thought the people would be so great, you know. I went up to a few of them and got their autograph, and we just talked about life and stuff like that. I found that was odd, but also wonderful at the same time, if you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm a Star Trek Trekkie. Who figured? Number 2 fun fact is I am a chef. I worked for a company in the United States for several years for a catering company. My boss was a great boss. Miss them very much right now. I moved to Germany and I ended up getting a job working for Bayer, but you say Bayer and you say aspirin. Yeah, it's the same company, but it actually has a restaurant, a bunch of restaurants. They have one called the Casino. They have one at the stadium where they play the soccer. They have one in where they have theater. That's where I worked, and I worked there for 12 years until I was getting less hours, so I decided to leave. And I ended up working for the school system in Leverkusen, and working in the kitchen in the schools. Lots of fun. Yeah, that's one of I love cooking and I love baking. I bake every year over 3,000 cookies for Christmas, and I send them out or give them out to everybody that I know because I love baking cookies and making cakes. So there'll be a video coming out on all the cookies that I'm making, and you'll be amazed what I do for these cookies. Fun fact 3. As you know, I love doing crafts and recycling and renovating old things at home. So there's a lot of videos have to do with that also. It's just that's something that I love to do. I've been doing it since, I don't know, since I was a small child. I love to work with my hands. I worked with my father doing stuff in the basement where he had a woodworking machine. We did woodworking. We made yo-yos, we made chairs, we made shelving that you hang on the wall. It was so much fun. Yeah, those times are gone, but I still have that knack. I must have got it from my father, I think, because my mom was more of a homemaker, a wonderful woman, and my dad was, yeah, he loved to build things, and he loved to cook also, so maybe that's where I got it from. Yeah, that's fact number 3. Fun fact 4. I love doing things with my family. And of course, with my grandchildren too. They're the heartstone of my life is my grandchildren. I love them all. I wish I could spend more time with all of them, but 4 of them live in the United States and there's only 1 here in Germany, which I'm sad about it, but I see most of my grandchildren on videos and pictures. I have a great daughter-in-law, Ashley, and my daughter and her husband have 3 little boys, and I get to talk to them at least once a week online. So, and they know who I am, and they call me Oma, not Grandma, because in German Grandma is Oma. So that's fact number 4. Fact number 5. I love Halloween and Christmas. Those are my 2 favorite holidays of all. I love to decorate. I usually had parties here every year, Halloween parties, and I would decorate my whole home. I have a link over here to all the pictures that I have done if you'd like to check them out, all the ideas I've done. I made a human-sized Frankenstein, a human-sized mummy, there, so forth and so on. I made so many. I made a zombie Spider-Man. I made, you know, a devil. There are so many creatures. I made Paul Stanley from Kiss a statue because we had rock and roll horror theme for Halloween. And I also love Christmas. And, you know, like an American, Christmas, you know, here in Germany, not many people decorate it, but you'll know where I live once you walk by because I'm the only one in this whole building. You'll see my house going bling, bling, bling. But I love doing that, you know, everyone knows. And most of the people on this street, I've been here so long on this street, living here almost 16 years. And they look forward to this. Every time I'm so running late, I'm putting my lights up, they stop me. It's like, you're not going to put your lights up this year? I was like, yeah, I'm going to. Oh, I thought you weren't, you know, and they got scared and everything, or worried. Funny, it was really funny. It's like this whole street's like a little family. They all know me. They know I'm American. Funny thing that is. And it's a nice little community, even though they say where we live in this area is called the ghetto, but it's far from it. Believe me, it really is. And, well, that's pretty much about me, about my fun facts and about me and my life. I have 9 brothers and sisters. Fun time growing up. You have good things and bad things about it. The good thing is that you always do things together and it's fun when there's a lot more people together. The bad thing is you never have any privacy. And if you do, you go in the bathroom and even then you get disturbed because someone has to go. If you like this video, please use the thumbs up, and subscribe, please. I'd like to see my channel go up higher with subscribers. Please share. Like, share, and subscribe. Those are the most important things on these videos. And watch the whole videos. Because during my videos, I always put little nips and tricks that while I'm talking, because I always jibber jabber, while I'm talking, I do all this. So don't forget to check out all my other videos that I have. I have so many, 52 videos so far out. I'm just starting with the YouTube, so please be patient. My videos are not the best. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my video and my little introduction of my page and myself. And please come again because you never know what videos I'll be coming out. Bye!